Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, I do a lot of unboxing, well, more like review and a little bit of unboxing, makeup, tutorial, and a little bit about fashion. And today, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing something super special. It's going to be this Chanel bag. So this Chanel bag, fortunately, I got it I think at least for a year now, but I haven't had a chance to use it. It has been on my shelf for a while now. Of course, I have unboxed it already for myself to use. I did get a chance to use it at least twice already ever since I got the bag, but this is the first time I officially unboxed it on my channel for you guys, and I'm super excited about this bag because it's I don't think it's been released anymore. They have discontinued it, and fortunately I got it before it was discontinued, and this is one of the super special bag that is not there's a few shapes like this have been released already, but it's very different from the normal classic line. And today I'm super excited to share it with you guys because I think it's super cute. It's all pink girly and it's across the shoulder bag, but you can still hold it as the top shoulder handbag. So let's get started, guys. Hello guys, well today I'm gonna be unboxing this Chanel bag that I think is super cute. Are you guys ready for it? Ta-da! Ooh, okay, so I have unboxed it already for myself and I don't know how to put it back together, so I'm sorry this is not like a super surprising like special moment for any of you guys, but I've tried my best. Okay, so let's just gonna lay this out beautifully so it looks super nice for us. So this box is a little bit different than the usual box that Chanel give to me. Yeah, so the envelope and their little Chanel price tag. Choo-choo. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this. Alright, so this is the bag that I am unboxing right now. This is so cute. Like the color pink is not the soft pink, but it's like a super cute bubblegum pink, and it has charms right here. And this box is called the round accessories bag. So you open it inside, you know, the Chanel logo, the card. This bag, of course, is very inconvenient to use. However, the reason I buy this bag or bought this bag is not because for the usage, but because I thought it was so cute and I want to buy it before it stopped released. So here you go. And then there's something else in here as well, is that it comes with a separate chain. There we go. So hopefully I will have some time soon to do a little review. But first I have to wear it for like, you know, a little bit of time because, you know, I cannot do a review if I don't know how this really is gonna turn out. But the leather is patent. Yeah, there you go. So hopefully this is the end of the unboxing. Hopefully I will have some more time to do a review for you guys soon because I'm so excited using this bag and this style as well. So I have to use it first for a little bit and then I'll have to do a review for you guys because I cannot do a correct review if I have not used it first, and then I will list about the pros and the cons, etc. So stay tuned guys. See you guys again next time. Bye.